there are a lot of elements to the policy response. I think the Fed has cut rates. They've created new liquidity facilities. They bailed out Bear Stearns. There's been a tax cut, the tax rebate checks. And maybe one of the overlooked aspects of the policy response is the success of bank regulators in encouraging banks to raise more capital, which is, I think, a key reason why we're not Japan. But I think the one part of it that I want to focus on, there's a lot of controversy in a lot of that, in a lot of those policy responses. But what I wanted to focus on is the Fed's rate cuts. This looks at the Fed's policy rate, which is the Fed funds rate, and it's adjusted for inflation to compare it more easily over time. And I think you give the Fed a lot of credit for the aggressive response in the first quarter. They basically decided that they had to get the Fed funds rate down to the level that is associated with previous recessions. That is, they saw that they were trying to get ahead of the problem with the real Fed funds rate that's approximately zero. This is where they've come in for criticism, though. A lot of people assert that the high oil price now, the high commodity prices, are the result of Fed easing, primarily because of the impact on the commodities that are priced in dollars. If the Fed cuts rates and the dollar falls, then people who are outside the U.S. are going to have to bid up the price of oil in dollars just to maintain the same level of price. And I think that's mainly wrong. It's not entirely wrong, but it's mainly wrong. This next chart shows oil priced in dollars and oil priced in euros over the last year. If the price rise in commodities was primarily the result of a weaker dollar due to the Fed easing, then I think you'd see the price in euros be, well, if not flat, at least mainly flat. And I don't know how easy you can read the numbers here, but basically over the last 12 months, oil in dollars is up 98%. Oil in euros is up 71%. So clearly, it's part of that is the weaker dollar, but mainly it's something else.